I just bought these classical strings for my acoustic guitar. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be doing this, but these use ball end type strings, so they can be installed into a acoustic guitar pretty easily. And so I installed it onto this Washburn W10DS. Washburn 10DS, I think. I forgot what. It's a D10S, I mean. And so, let me try it over here. And so let's try a different, let's try C over here. D. Sound pretty normal to me. So I'm gonna say I will get these strings again, but this is coming from a beginner. And that's it. Let's try a G, I think. And this hasn't been tuned well anyways, but